Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And now you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, you can press the side button to open the menu, then scroll through it, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, you can tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you can find the watch faces option. It's at the top of the menu. Tap on it, it will open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you like, and of course tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can always use the phone application to change the watch face. Let me bring the phone that is paired with my watch right here. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. A bit more. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, let's unlock the screen. And now let's open the Hama Fit application. So let's tap on the icon. And in the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon. And here you should see your Fit Watch 5000. And under the watch, you should see the watch face market. Tap on more to open the market store. And here we have different categories you can browse through and look for something you would like. For example, I'm gonna open the doodle category, find the watch face I like. There's nothing that interesting, but let's say this one. And then we can tap on install, set, and it will basically download and install the watch face. But as you can see, I have maximum amount, so I need to remove one. So I'm gonna remove, I don't know, this one. Okay. And then tap on finish. So I think I need to tap install again, yeah. And then it will start installing the watch face, and once it's done, the watch face will be applied. And if you want to change the watch face between the watch faces already installed on your watch, I will show you how to do it once it's done installing. Okay, so to change the watch faces that are already between the watch faces that are already on your watch, you need to tap on manage watch faces, and here we have the list of watch faces already installed on our watch, and we can tap on one, and I believe set as current watch face, and it will basically apply it on your watch. So if you wake up the screen, the watch face should be applied like this. And once you're done, of course, you can close the app, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.